Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kenang makipat ba nong yang kin lat na kajingun saw, haba ki jam na silyang sa silyang Surok, kamtam haki bentasar, haki babon ki benta jong ka Surok penyu iru, yau lan ubali, ne yau bala jukhan, u zebra crossing. Haka bakipat ba haba ki jam na silyang sa silyang Surok, kin ya nau ne ulan bali. Henry watla na kalyang ki pulet panyat kaliru, ki ju perking kali bayat bayang sharom seneng, ban ailat ikipat ba, ban wajah sakhipan, bah kapor bam yo I, nedon ki pulet panyat kali, kinong nya kali, kim nyo kor ikinong ya nong yeng. Ban ailat shua ikibreu bukin jam na silyang sa silyang, watla kipat ba kilapoy hadu siteng Surok ru, jong uni ulan li. Ki egi kendon, ya kum kini kinong nya kali, bat ka egi jing pencitom, ya kinong nya kali, ki bapen ken, ya ki kendon nya kali. Ka Batisi TV hakan kenti, kalayo banyak keren kerpang, bat uhe pulet ubakli yakatnat, Shillong Traffic Police, ubidi marang, ubala Pynshai Halor kini kebenta.
In the zebra crossing, first I would like to this one. We can't say only the drivers which is indisciplined. I would blame the same thing to the people also, because in zebra crossing you will find each and every person crossing every minute, which makes for the vehicles to crossing difficult. In other developed countries, in zebra crossing, there are certain buttons like red and green buttons where a group of people, when they wanted to cross, they press the red button and then they cross. And once the red button is on, red light is on, and the vehicles all stand still in a particular line. And when the people had crossed, they again put back the green light. So at that time, the vehicle crosses over the zebra crossing. But that kind of system is not available in our state, which means posing difficulty for the driver as well as for the pedestrian. So what I feel is that this system should be introduced, because not only the police can man the entire zebra crossing. At present also we are manning the most important zebra crossing points. Daily we have been briefing the people about the importance of zebra crossing, but still we find that the indiscipline still exists in the pedestrian as well as in the drivers also. And regarding the hand-holding system, there are many schools which we have roped in, and NGOs, they have come to help us in each and every, along with the police, in each and every zebra crossing. I think last year you will find they have done the hand-holding system, how to cross. The vehicle should stop. After that, how the vehicle will cross over, that has been done, and it will still go on. Now it's being done by the police also. I would like the others to rope in for more education on this zebra crossing. So basically, it should not only the duty of the police. It should be some sense of crossing sense of zebra crossing in the pedestrian as well as the driver. So I will not blame entirely on the driver also, and I don't blame entirely on the